Welcome, my name is Daniella Rubinovitz. I'm a visual artist and I created this installation project called Play. It's still in progress right now. I'm making it out of, as you can see, out of cardboard, and then I used a epoxy resin with fiberglass and also some cotton sheeting on it. I did that because I want the piece to be light. I want it to be movable. The whole idea here is that, art is often untouchable, so it's very delicate, fragile. It's just not designed to be touched, to be moved, to be interacted with. But this, for me, is really the fun thing with art, is when you can interact with it and you can touch it and you can move it around and you can change these gestures and you can change the story. For instance, the story with these pieces, how they all interact together. So this is a piece that's going to be installed for 2 months in NDSM here in Fuse Gallery in Amsterdam, and the opening is going to be on the 20th of February, and then it will be in another location. Go ahead and click the notification bell to follow this channel to see more videos, and you can follow the happenings of this project on the hashtag PlayArtAmsterdam on Instagram, and I post daily videos and tips on this interactive sculpture, really in progress. So come and have fun. Come also with a group to interact and create all these gestures that you might want to see. Again, this is just right now in progress. These are the actual pieces. They're still in prototype. I'm still going to paint them, still doing the final little bits, dot the I's and cross the T's. But here are the 5 pieces that we have. So again, it's 5 pieces for this figure. Just show you, here's a small one. So they're all different shapes and sizes, and they just, you can move them around, and you can try some really fun things. So really fun to try different movements and see how they might want to interact together. So as you can see, that's why this project is entitled Play, because you're invited to play and interact. And again, stay tuned. Bye.